We're all waiting for the release of the big guy. Yes, I'm talking about Samsung Note 20. And today we will talk about some leaks that might give you an idea of what exactly to expect from the flagship phone. Just like S20, it is expected to release with multiple models and colors. Things might be different for different regions. The display would be a 5G optimized OLED, which would emit less blue light, resulting in improved battery life, which is already expected to be a massive 4000 mAh. We might see Samsung new 6nm chip, which would again improve efficiency of the battery and performance of the phone. 120Hz or even better display with a triple camera module like S20, but definitely tuned up, and some leaks have said that it would be a waterfall display. The USP of the phone, called the S Pen, is expected with more features. A massive Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 or Exynos 992 with at least 12GB of RAM and 128GB storage is expected in the base model. The phone is expected to launch in August and might be delayed because of COVID-19. This would not be cheap and is expected to cost more than $1,000 without a question.